This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activity. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
But this is a very important, the constitutional issue I would like to point out to your Lordship before going into the other detail. Kindly turn to page 40. The page 40, if your Lordship kindly sees, the order is issued like this. As per direction of higher authority, Kolkata Municipal Corporation.
Page 40.
Page 40, the notice.
The first paragraph. This
No,
is
page 40 of the petition, the public notice.
yes, this is to notify.
And kindly come to the Lord, the person who issues this.
As per direction.
Yes. Now, this is, Lord, governed by the doctrine of dictation, which is ultra vires act of the Supreme Court. The Calcutta Municipal Corporation is the highest body under the statute. There cannot be any higher authority than the Calcutta Municipal Corporation. But on this principle, without going into detail, I would invite my Lord's kind attention to 2004 Volume 2 Supreme Court cases.
No, just give us 2 minutes. We shall go through the notice.
My Lord.
Judge, under the boy, were erected, set up and stuff. Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Now,
Sure,
my Lord,
give us the KMC Act 371 and 500.
yes, I came check now, Your Lordship.
Open it out. नहीं है क्या? KMC Act. He is better equipped. But it is your case.
The 371 is a provision, my Lord, which prohibits.
Yeah, one more. $371. Yes.
Well, 371 has no application in the instant case because they are not the hawkers. So then kindly come to the 516. This is prohibition of nuisance. I am not traveling my Lord to the detail. These also will not certain will restrictions, nothing else. Nobody is empowered to take any action under these two provisions. Then 517A, Lordship may look into it. Though it is not mentioned, that is the power. 517A. Notwithstanding anything contained in section 517, if the mayor in council is of the opinion that immediate removal of any nuisance continuing on any land or building in contravention provisions of this act is necessary, it may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, cause such nuisance to be removed forthwith. Now, my Lord, in the present situation, there is no mayor in council. The power is probably vested with the municipal commissioner.
No,
the
please,
municipal commissioner is the highest authority.
So, Mr. Bhattacharya, you showed us the restrictions which involves Roman 5 without
Yes.
proper authority affix upon any building, monument, wall, fence without proper authority deface or right.
That is something else. This has nothing to do with the hawkers. Hawkers are not fixing anything on the wall. And they have to then specify that these are the violations which you have committed. But my point is completely different. The person who has issued the notice has no authority and jurisdiction under the law. This is, my lord, hit by doctrine of dictation. My lord, I am covered by Supreme Court judgment. Many judgment, Lordship is well aware.
But then who has issued the notice?
Yes, that's the basic issue. Someone will rise as per
Yeah, but
direction of higher authority.
Unfortunately, my lord, in so far as my lord, the pleadings are concerned, there is not a whisper, my lord, about this particular ground,
It's
my
a
lord.
question of law,
My
question
lord,
of law. I
the
can
grounds
take
for-
any
no, no,
point of
it's
time.
not that. I said that
who is the
that is
higher-
why, my lord, I am not ready with, my lord, the
ও
immediate
আচ্ছা, সেটা
instruction.
অন্য কথা।
Had it been there, I would have come back with I would have had the instructions because there is no pleading pertaining to acting under dictation.
But the notice was there, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Notice is there. Notice is there. It must be by the highest authority. At present, my lord, it is the administrator who is running the Kolkata Municipal
Then
Corporation.
what prevented him from issuing the
No, my lord, I'll tell you, your lordship, my lord, this, my lord,
29 June?
yes, this, my lord, what Mr. Bhattacharya is submitting, but is not, my lord, the correct state of affairs. It is a, I'll say, my lord, this is a colorable attempt by way of filing this particular public interest litigation by a gentleman who himself is a member of the town vending committee to bring within the ambit all these squatters and encroachers who are occupying by constructing, my lord, structures beneath the flyovers and the bridges. This is an attempt to bring them also or classify them also as hawkers.
Please inform us whether the squatters have themselves initiated any proceeding.
Or
The aggrieved
But the
persons.
policy is, I'll tell you, lordship, my lord, a lot of this is completely different. What page 41 contains is completely different. Page 41 is about the pavement.
No, then
That is about the footpath. But in so far as this is concerned, but I have a list. It is list of Joint Commissioner. Are a copy though. It is a policy, my lord, to ensure safety and security of human lives, my lord. So, my lord, this is what, my lord, we have
I
received.
understand that, but
Yes,
you are
it is.
removing them on the strength of a notice.
It is a public notice.
No, public notice. It has to be. It cannot be a stamped notice. There has to be an officer. There has to be an exercise of power. There has to be quotation of the paragraphs or relevant provisions.
Right, so far as pages 41, etc. are concerned, that is on a different perspective. These are by, my lord, the executive engineer. These notices have been issued. But in so far as, my lord, this action is concerned, there are two limbs, my lord. First is, my lord, the policy to ensure that, my lord, the bridges and the flyovers within the jurisdiction of Kolkata Municipal
You tell
Corporation.
us who is the authority who come with that
Very
instruction.
well, my lord, I'll come back on Monday, my lord, then
মানডে হবে না,
Tuesday.
না 9 তারিখ রাখো, 8 তারিখে আমার আরেকটা ম্যাটার ফিক্স আছে।
Very good.
When you can come, Mr.
On 9th, if your lordship kindly permits, my lord.
9th.
Right.
Heard Mr. Bhattacharya, learned senior advocate appearing for the petitioners. Drawing our attention to no, Mr. Bhattacharya, senior applicant for the- drawing our attention to a public notice annexed at page 40 of the writ petition. Drawing our attention, Mr. Bhattacharya submits that the notice itself suffers from a jurisdictional error. And from the same and the authority who had issued the said notice had been mentioned, and simply the same has been issued, quote unquote, as per direction of higher authority.
Should be the highest authority of the KMC.
No,
That's
as per the higher
It
authority.
should have been the highest authority KMC, in my understanding. This is without instruction. I'll come back with more specific instruction.
We have to ascertain whether you issued or not, because there is Bhattacharya, Biplodal Bhattacharya, learned additional advocate general. Oh, you are for KMC, na?
For the Kolkata.
Biplodal Bhattacharya, senior advocate, appearing for KMC, prays for an accommodation today to avail necessary instruction. In view thereof, please the matter for further consideration in the daily supplementary list of this court on 9th.
9th.
Yes.
My lord, till that time, because one of the notice says that
কিছু হবে না,
they
কিছু
should
হচ্ছে না।
be They should remove,
Pending before your lordship, my lord.
they should remove
Come back on the 9th.
by 1st of July.
Now, if Mr. Bhattacharya assures, okay, I don't
Yes.
mind.
I said it is pending before your lordship. But let it be heard on the 9th.
Can we?
Yes, yes,
My
good.
lord,
Do not record that, my lord.
it's a long process, my lord. I'm appearing for the statement. It's a long, my lord. They will have to requisition the police
Process, my
assistance.
lord,
So, my
our
lord,
experience
it will not
kindly,
happen before
my
the
lord, we served a notice saying that
No.
the honorable court will take up the matter on this day. My lord, in the morning they start demolition.
No, my lords are in CC over the issue, my lord.
They have been given time up to 10 July.
No, then the 1st July
My
they
lord,
were asked, my
41,
lord.
see page 41, my lord.
But for abundant caution, that if Mr. Bhattacharya
My lord
assures, it
kindly
can be
takes it up
recorded.
on the first on Monday, my lord.
No, we are keeping it on 9th, but you have ensured us.
Deep love.
officers are present.
If you find any further steps immediately.
yes,
My
come
lord,
and mention.
my lord, kindly appreciate, my lord, we are not being given time. My lord, it is our
Yeah,
experience in
I'm there.
Shalimar station. My lord.
Yes,
My lord, the matter was pending. My lord, matter was item number 30. In the morning, 10 a.m., my lord, they came and demolished the entire structures.
So that is the railway.
My lord, that was also a matter where we took leave when
I
the
was
matter
not
was
appearing in
appearing on
that
the
matter,
day.
my lord.
My lord, this is our experience with the railway hawkers, my lord. So, my lord, kindly protects because 41 says ultimatum has been given till 1st of July.
My
I'm
lord
sorry.
kindly takes it up on Monday, my lord. I insisted for Monday only, my lord.
Monday কিন্তু
আমি বলছি যে করে
কিছু হলে মেনশন করো না
টেনশন করিস না আজকে তো বলছে তো হবে না কিছু কেএমসির অফিসাররাও আছে তো
অফিসাররা কোর্টে আছে
ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা নিয়ে আসতে দে
Now, let us accept the assurance of Mr. Bhattacharya.
But then sometimes it becomes risky. Because, under team, we are not recording. We don't want to embarrass you also, but the thing is, we don't know these officers what they will
My lord,
do.
I said that I'll come back on
Midnight
Monday.
something
I was trying to accommodate my lord, senior Mr. Bhattacharya. He insisted for the 9th. I can come back on Monday.
Monday is a holiday.
All right, come back on 9, but see Mr. Bhattacharya that nothing is done in
The officers are present here, my lord. Let there be an unwritten assurance, my lord. করবেন না কিছু। একটু একেও জয়েন্ট কমিশনারকেও বলে দিস
এই পিটিশনটা